Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change cursor in Roblox. It's very easy and quick. Just watch the video till the end. So first, let's download a new cursor we will use. Go to the Chrome and type icons 8 and click this one. Then, go to the search bar and type cursor. You can choose from this many cursor design. Just choose what you want. So, I'll just choose this one. Then, click download. Just choose any size you like. Then, after that, go to downloads to check the file. So, we're done in the first step. Let's go to the final step. Open the file location of Roblox in the Windows icon. Right-click the Roblox player and click Open File Location. Just scroll and find the content folder and open it. Then, open the texture folder. Then, scroll down and open cursors. Then, open keyboard and mouse. So here, this is all we need. Let's just keep it that way. Now, let's open our files. Drag the cursor you just downloaded to the keyboard and mouse folder, and you can now close the file tab. Copy the cursor PNG to make it 2. Then, all you need to do is change the name of the new cursor. Just copy the name of the default cursor and paste it to the new ones. Arrow cursor to the other one, and arrow far cursor to other one as well. And after you copied them, you can now delete the default cursors. Let's open Roblox to see the changes. And done. We got new cursor. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. You can now delete the default cursors to apply the new changes. Now, let's open Roblox to see the changes. And done. We got new cursor. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.